Hey everyone, Dr. Alibhai here from Surrey Chiropractic. I'm going to teach you how to use the massage gun most effectively. A lot of people own one now. There's so many brands that are out there that you can get. You can search on Amazon. We'll send the link for the one that we use. Instead of just, pounding away at the flesh just like that and hitting the meat, you want to make sure that you're adding some stretch while you're using the massage gun. So for example, if I was releasing the tension in my shoulders, I could just use the massage gun like this up and down on my shoulder, and I'm going to turn this one on here. Just like that, or I could pin down the tissue so it's not more than a 4 out of 10, and I could add some length into it at the same time. So if that's too much, you can turn it down and just hold it there and bring in a stretch through the neck, okay? So close it down, pin it, and stretch it while using the massage gun. Find the level of intensity that's right for you. I wouldn't go more than a 4 out of 10 in terms of discomfort. Same thing when we go to the pec. These get really tight from our forward posture. In through here, so you're closing the arm down, and then you're opening it up just like that, okay? You can do the biceps the same way. I like to do my quads when I'm sitting down. You might want to do it when you're watching TV and you're relaxing, and you're hitting different tissues in through here and straightening out your leg, okay? Anything that's tender is fair game. You want to get to the bottom of your foot, you can dig in through there, and that's going to be pretty sensitive. We're going to close the foot down with one hand. I'm going to show you at this angle here. Close the foot down. There's different attachments. So for the foot, you might want something a little bit more pinpoint. Close it down, turn it on, and then stretch it out while the massage gun is doing its work. Okay, so we're literally breaking down scar tissue in some cases for people. We're allowing the muscle to slide and glide. We're flushing out a lot of inflammation and congestion that's been building up for a long time. The last spot that I like to clear up is just on my forearm, right through here. It's where we get a lot of tennis elbow, right on the thumb side here, and on the other side is the golfer's elbow, okay? Even though you may not play those sports, a lot of us are susceptible to that because of maybe the work that we do. So again, pin it down. You might need more of a fine point attachment on here, and then you're using the massage gun, and then you're stretching it out downwards. So you're adding length in through there. For this one here, on the pinky side, it's the flexor group. Pin that down, and then you're bringing your fingers down towards the ground, and you're getting that last 10% that stretch. You'll notice a big difference in how you're feeling, whether you're waking up a little more fresh and less tight. Again, I like to do this before workout, sometimes afterwards, depending on what's sore and what's not. So let me know how it goes. I hope this helps clarify any questions on how to use the massage gun. Take care. Bye now.